Fishing, which is written by Goparanjan Mishra. Goparanjan Mishra, a well-known teacher of English in Odisha, has written has a fascination for writing poems in English. He has recited most of his poems to learn audience in different parts of the country. Has been widely acclaimed. At present, he is working as the principal of GKVK College Cuttack, but now he is not working as a principal in GKVK College in Cuttack. He is a retired person. So Goparanjan Mishra has represented this poem in a very beautiful way. And if you enjoy this poem, you will get the qualities or rhythm pattern, how the poem is very much attractive. It creates a fascination about the story. It's a very simple story, but it talks a lot of things to society. It talks a lot of things to humanity. It talks a lot of things to the world, how to maintain peace and what is the relation between how to get the source of joy. It talks about the kindness. It talks about the one type of kindness which can give you happiness, which can give you pleasure, which can give you joy. So by reading this poem, we'll get the pleasure inside it. What is the pleasure behind it? We'll get through it. So are you ready for that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now start our class. Like a seasoned angler, sure of his feet with fishing rod and line and bait, I said, "You all wait for me, and please fight tonight. Our dinner will be." So, if you before proceeding about this poem talks about the idea of kindness, and which can gives a lot of pleasure, which can gives a lot of happiness, and which is the full of rich of joy. So how the poem starts, look at the poem. Here the poem starts in a different way, ends with another way. So it gives us some sort of happiness, it gives us some sort of pleasure, it gives us some sort of important things to you. So like to important things of a life, it gives important things about what is the peace, and it gives importance about the joy. तो ये पोएम टा आरंभ करिया पूर्वरु So before ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ୱେରେ ମାଛ ଧରିଥାଉ, ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟା ହଉ କି ଜାଲ ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ହଉ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ୱେରେ ଆମେ ମାଛ ଧରିଥାଉ। ଏଠି ପୋଏଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମାଛ ଧରିବା କଥା, ଯେ କେମିତି ଲୋକ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟାରେ ମାଛ ଧରନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଛୁଆବେଳେ ଥାଉ, ଛୁଆବେଳେ ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଲମ୍ବା ବାଡି ନେଇଯାଉ, ବାଡି ଦେହରେ ଗୋଟେ ସୂତା ନାଇଲନ ସୂତା ଲଗାଯାଏ, ତା ଆଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ୍ଟା, ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଇ, ଗୋଟେ ଧଳା କଲର ପୋଇଟା ଲାଗିଥାଏ। ତାପରେ ମାଛ ଅଗରେ ଆମେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଲଗେଇଥାଉ। ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଆମେ ଜିଆ ଲଗେଇଥାଉ କି ଛୋଟ ମାଛ ଲଗାଯାଏ ବଡ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ। ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ୱେରେ ଆମେ ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ ୱେରେ ହଉ କି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ୱେରେ ଆମେ କଣ କରୁ ନା ସେ ହୁକ୍ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟାଟା ଥାଏ, କଣ୍ଟା ଯୋଉ ସି କର୍ଭ ଭଳିଆ ଟିକେ ହେଇଥାଏ, ସି କର୍ଭ ଭଳିଆ, ତ ସେଇଥିରେ ଆମେ କଣ କରିଥାଉ ନା ମାଛ ଧରିଥାଉ। ଓକେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ମାଛ ସେଇ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟାରେ ଧରିଥାଉ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମ ପାଇଁ ତ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟା ୟୁଜ କରିଥାଉ, ସେ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟାରେ କଣ ହୁଏ, ଗୋଟେ ଲମ୍ବା ଆକାର ଗୋଟେ ନଥାଏ, ଗୋଟେ ବାଉଁଶ ର ଗୋଟେ ବାଡି ଥାଏ, ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ସୂତା ଯୋଉଟା ଆଟାଚ ହେଇଥାଏ, ନାଇଲନ ସୂତା ଯୋଉଟା କୁହାଯାଏ, ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଥାଉ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ ଟାଇପ ଯୋଉ ନାଇଲନ ସୂତା ୟୁଜ ହେଇଥାଏ, ବହୁତ ଲମ୍ବା ଥାଏ। ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଯୋଉ ସୂତା ମିଳେ, ବଜାରରେ ପଚାରିଲେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ। ତା ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଇ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଗିଥାଏ, ଧଳା କଲର ଯୋଉ ପୋଇଟା, ସେ ପାଣି ଭିତରେ ବୁଡିକି ରହିଥାଏ। ସେଟା ଯଦି ଅପ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡାଉନ ହବ, ଅଫ୍ ଡାଉନ ଅଫ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡାଉନ ହବ, ଜାଣିବ ଯେ ସେଟା ମାଛ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତମେ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟାରେ ଯୋଉ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଲଗେଇଛ, ତା ଆଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗିଥାଏ, କଣ୍ଟାରେ ଯୋଉ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଲଗେଇଥିବ, ସେ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟା ସେ କଣ କରିବ, ଖାଉଥିବ। ଯଦି ମାଛଟା ତୁମ ଯୋଉ ଖାଦ୍ୟଟା ଖାଉଥିବ, ତାହେଲେ ସେ ପୋଇଟା କଣ ହବ ନା ଅପ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡାଉନ ହବ। ତାପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଗିଥାଏ ଯୋଉ କଣ୍ଟାଟା, ସେ କଣ୍ଟା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆମେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ରଖିଥାଉ, ଯୋଉଟା କି ମାଛକୁ ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ହେବ, ମାଛ ସେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିବ। ଯେତେବେଳେ ମାଛ ଖାଇବ, ସେ କଣ୍ଟାଟା ତା ତଣ୍ଟିରେ ଲାଗିଯିବ, ତାପରେ ଆମେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତାକୁ କଣ କରୁ, ପୁଲ କରିଦେଉ। ଦେଖି ତ ନଈ ବର୍ଷା ଦିନିଆ ଦେଖ କି ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଅଲଗା ଦିନ ମାନେ ଦେଖ, କେନାଲ ସାଇଟ ରେ, ନଈବନ୍ଧ ସାଇଟ ରେ, ଯଦି ପୋଖରୀ ସାଇଟ ରେ ଦେଖି ତ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟା ପକେଇ ବସିଥିବ, ଡ୍ୟାମ ସାଇଟ ରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ପକେଇରେ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟା ପକେଇଥିବେ। ଇଭିନ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ପିଲାମାନେ ବି ମଜା କରି ପକେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ମଜା ଲାଗେ, ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇପ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ମଜା ଲାଗେ। ମୁଁ ବି ମୋ ଛୁଆ ବେଳେ ବହୁତ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ବହୁତ ମଜା ବି ନେଇଛି, so that's a different part। ଏଠି ପୋଏଟ ସେଇ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ବନିଶ କଣ୍ଟା ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ମାଛ ଧରିବା କଥା। A story talks about a different things. Okay, तो से जो बनिश कंटा थाए से जो बाड़ीटा को ये मेंशन कराई एज ए रड कौन मेंशन कराई रड रड भाई जो लुहा रड इट्स लंबा कलर जो बाड़ीटा यूज कराई सेटा कहै रड तार जो सूता जो लगी नायलन सूता को ये इंग्लिश रे कहै लाइन ओके आउे जो लगी हुक टा जो लगी देखी तो गोटे हुक लगी से हुक टा कौन करे ना हुक टा हूँ कंटा ओके तो यही तीन टा जिनस को लेकिन जो हुक दे जो खाद्य लगी था तार इंग्लिश हूँ बेट BAIT तो ये जिनस को जानीदेल टॉपिक जो फर्स्ट आंसर कहूँ लाइक ए सीजन एंगलर श्योर ऑफ हिज फीट with fishing rod and line and bait तो गोपारंजन मिश्र इज टॉकिंग टू हिमसेल्फ एटी निज विषय कहउछन एज ए फिशर एज एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड फिशर सीजन एंगलर माने होची कोन ना सीजन एंगलर मीन्स होची जे कि काम करे बहुत एक्सपर्ट थिबो जे कि बहुत किछि जानितबो बहुत किछि एक्सपीरियंस थिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड सीजन एंगलर तो एटी सीजन एंगलर मीन्स होची कि एंगलर माने होची कोन आमी जो बनिश कंठटा कहउछे तार इंग्लिश टा होची एंगल बनिश कंठार इंग्लिश टा होची कोन एंगल तो से जो बनिश कंठाटा आमे जो यूज करूचे दैट इज कॉल्ड एंगल ताकू जे यूज करे ताकू कहै छै एंगलर कोन कहै छै एंगलर द पर्सन ही यूज दैट एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज द एंगलर एबे बुझी पाइलो एंगलर माने होची जे बनिश कंठा धराले फॉर एग्जांपल आई यूज एंगल टू कैच ए फिश नाउ आई एम द एंगलर बुझी पाइलो आमी जो बनिश कंटा यूज करूचे दैट बनिश कंटा इंग्लिश जदि हम साधारणतः देखिबा दैट मीन्स होची एंगल जे ताको यूज करूचे दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट एंगलर like a seasoned angler it's saying that like a seasoned angler sure of his feet like means jepori ki seasoned means one of the experienced angler sure of his feet that means the log that kamo upare si tar kono अछि निश्चित अछि तार जो काम करबा जो वेरे से माछ धरि परिबो सेही माछ धरिबारे तार कोन अछि फीट मतलब लक्ष्य रे मने कोन कोन अछि से बतवन लाइक सीजन एंगलर like a seasoned angler sure of his feet with fishing rod and line and bait I said you all wait for me fish fry tonight our dinner will be तो तुम कहि दोची so like a seasoned angler sure of his feet seasoned angler means what an experienced angler as an experienced person who used to catch a fish angler man तुम कहि दली angler माने होची जे एंगल सहायता रे माछ धरे एंगल माने होची बनिश कंटा तर I am using that angle to catch a fish that I am also called as an angler seasoned angler means as an experienced angler as I am an experienced angler okay like a seasoned angler the poet was talking about that but an experienced angler bhabare sure of his feet that means he has the capability he has the so like a seasoned angler sure of his feet that means as an experienced angler as a you can say experienced person to catch a fish वर्तमान जो angler जे अछि से बहुत एक्सपीरियंस बहुत नॉलेज अछि कैच करिया पे फिश ऑफ हिज फीट मींस कर्तृत्व बा ता काम हिसाब रे से काम हिसाब रे से बहुत एक्सपीरियंस अछि माछ धरिया पई तो एटी पोएट कहउछंती लाइक जेपरि कि ओटे एक्सपीरियंस एंगलर भेबरे सीता निज कर्तृत्व हिसाब रे जतिक एक्सपीरियंस से कौन कला विथ फिशिंग रॉड एंड लाइन एंड बेट तार जो बनिसी कंटा आउची लाइन माने होची जो सूता नायलॉन सूता एंड बेट होची खाद्य एते जिंस धरिकी से रेडी हे गला क्वाड जवा पई माछ धरिया पई like a seasoned angler sure of his feet with a fishing rod and line and bait तार निजर एक्सपीरियंस एंगलर हिसाब रे निजर बनिश कंटा कंटेंट्स कोन करछि a rod means what body line means what सूता bait माने होचे खाद्य तो बाडी सूता और खाद्य धरि के जो तार फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट्स रॉड लाइन बेट माने एटी बुझी पड़िबो जे रॉड और लाइन एंड बेट हियर इट मींस होचे फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट्स माने होचे माछ धरिया पे जो यंत्रपाति यूज करा जाय दैट इज कॉल्ड फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट्स तो फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट्स धरि के से रेडी हैला कोन करिया पे माछ धरिया पे रेडी हे छै Here the poet is talking to himself. निजको से कहउछंती as a seasoned angler, as an experienced angler, experienced बनिश कंटा धराले हिसाब रे निजर जिंस पत्र धरि माछ धरिवार जिंस पत्र धरि रेडी हिछन कोन करिया पई माछ धरिया पई I said you all wait for me fish fry tonight our dinner will be The poet is talking to his family member. You means it understood which words. You means what? His family members. He was talking to his family members. Wait for me. तुमे माने मो पई अपेक्षा करिबो. The poet is talking to himself as a seasoned angler and who is ready to catch a fish by using the fishing equipments. What are the fishing equipments? Contains raw line and bait. He was already ready for that things. All the things are already ready. ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ରେଡି ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଫିସିଂ ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ବି ରେଡି ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଫିସିଂ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ବି ରେଡି ହେଇଯାଇଛି, ଆଉ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ବି ରେଡି, ବାଡି ବି ରେଡି, ସୂତା ବି ରେଡି। ତ ଅଲ୍ ଦ ଫିସିଂ ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଧରିକି ରେଡି ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ। ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ସେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ କହୁଛନ୍ତି you all wait for me, ତୁମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବ। fish fry tonight, our dinner will be, ଆଜି ରାତିରେ କଣ ହବ ନା ମାଛ ଭୋଜି ହବ, fish fry ହବ। କଣ ହବ? ମାଛ ଆଜି ଫ୍ରାଏ ହବ, ମାଛ tonight ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଗୋଟେ fish fry dinner ହବ। So this first stanza is talks about the first stanza talks about the as a the poet as himself considered as a seasoned angler, experienced angler, and who has the fishing equipments, who is ready for to catch a fish. And then he said to his family member, wait for me because I'm going to pond to catch a fish. So when I will catch a fish and today's night will make a fish fry dinner. So this statement says that the poet is ready to catch a fish and today's night will be a fish fry dinner and it will be a pleasurable day. It will be a happiest moment for him because today's night will be going to be a fish fry tonight. तो फास्ट आंसर से कहउचंती जेहेतु से गोटे एक्सपीरियंस एंगलर से तांकर फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट धरिकी रेडी हिचंती, फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट रॉड अछि, लाइन अछि, बेट अछि, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। एंड से कहउछन ता फैमिली मेंबर को तुमे माने आज मो पे अपेक्षा करिवो, यू ऑल वेट फॉर मी। यू मींस फैमिली मेंबर। सो ही वाज सेइंग टू हिज फैमिली मेंबर्स, you all wait for me because today's night we are going to make a dinner. That dinner contains a fish fry. So the poet has given the ideology, or given the idea to his family members to wait for him because today's night he is going to catch a fish. When he will return in night, they will make a fish fry. Though none of them did say a word, on my face I ate hard, some chuckles seared at my back. I told my family, let me come back. So in second stanza, the poet is talking about though none of them did say what. They means what? Family members. When the poet said that today's night will be a feast by dinner, wait for me, and today's night will be a feast by dinner. Though none of them did say what, kehi gote gote shabda bhi gote word bhi kichi kahile nahi in front of the poet. Poet ko samnare on my face, mo samnare, when the poet said that today's night will be a feast by dinner, ajira ratire gote feast by dinner habo, a mu chauchi macha dhariya pai, a macha dhari kanle mu gote feast by dinner habo. ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୋଏଟ କଲେ ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଆଜି ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବ, ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ମାଛ ଧରିକା ପାଇଁ, ଆଉ ମାଛ ଧରିକି ଆସିଲେ ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଫିଶ ଫ୍ରାଇ ଡିନର ହବ। ତ ଏଇ ସମୟରେ କେହି କେବେ କିଛି କହିଲେ ନାହିଁ। Nobody has said anything to the poet. On my face. So though the none of them did say a word in front of my face, none of them did say a word on my face, yet I heard some chuckles here at my back. I told myself, let me come back. So poet was talking about that. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯେ ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଫିଶ ଫ୍ରାଇ ଡିନର ହବ, ଗୋଟେ ମାଛ ଭୋଜି ହବ, ଆଉ ତୁମେ ମାନେ ମୋ ପାଇଁ ସବୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର କାରଣ ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ଆଜି ମାଛ ଧରିକି ଆସିବି, ମାଛ ଧରିକି ଆସିଲେ ରାତିରେ ଆଜି କଣ ହବ? ଫିଶ ଫ୍ରାଇ ହବ। तो यही सब कथा शुणिकी जे घर जो लोक मान थिले सेमाने किछि भी शब्द पॉइंट को सामने मुहरे मुह आगे किछि कहले ना। इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम द फैमिली मेंबर्स डिड नॉट से ए सिंगल वर्ड, yet तथापि पोएट को yet I heard some chuckles your at my back. Chuckles means जेतल पोएट भूली जाइछन्ती टर्न करछन, chucklings means स्मित हस, मुरुकु मुरुकी हसिबा, खुशी हे जुआ। That means ମୁଁ ଯଦି କହିବି ଆଜି ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି ତମକୁ ମୁଁ ଚକଲେଟ ଦେବି କିନ୍ତୁ ତମମାନେ ମୋ ଆଗରେ କିଛି କହୁନ କିନ୍ତୁ ମନରେ ଖୁସି ହେଉଛ ଯେ ସାର୍ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଚକଲେଟ ଦେବେ। ତ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୋଏଟ କହି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଆମେ ଫିଶ ଫ୍ରାଇ କରିବା, ଏଇ ସମୟରେ ଶୁଣିକି ସେ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ କିଛି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି। ଯେତେବେଳେ ପୋଏଟ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ରେଡି ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ, ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ଚକଲିଂ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଚକଲିଂ ମିନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ମିତ ହସ କରିଛନ୍ତି। Some chuckles at my back. At my back means ମୋ ପଛରେ ସେମାନେ କିଛି ସ୍ମିତ ହସ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ଖୁସି ହେଇଛନ୍ତି। Yet I had some chuckles here at my back mo पछरे से माने बहुत खुशी हिचंती सेटा पोएट भी जान छचंती जे पोएट कहउचंती मो सामने रे किछि कहिले नै किंतु मो पछपटे समस्त खुशी ही गले खुशी माने chuckles माने ही हा हा एमिते नो some smile means you can say smita हस जोटा कहंती inner feeling happiness जोटा कहै छै I told myself let me come back तोनर पोएट निजो निजे कहत अच्छा let me come back mu फेरी आसे केते हसुच केते खुशी होच मु देखि that means poet was want to see that happiness in front of him so after when he will catch the fish when he will bring the fish to his family or to his home जते बोले से fish माछ दे तां घर को आनिबे से खुशी से देखिया पे चाहउछन से पे कहउछ let me come back how are happy केते खुशी होच मु देखे मु फेरी गस माछ नै अच्छा जेतले कहले मु माछ दे मु आगरे किछि कहउन किंतु मु भूली गला बरे स्मित होछ ठीक अछि let me come back हो मु माछ धरि के आसे so this was the a statement of first two stanzas of fishing next move to the next line to the nearby pond, I straight ran with a fishing tackle. Of course, a can. The minutes passed, the hour dragged. It seems no luck that day I had. To the nearby pond, the poet went to the pond which is closer to his home or closer to his house. I straight ran away. सिद्धा सड़क से ठीक पळेले. To the nearby pond माने पोखरी पाखकु पळेले. पोखरी पाखकु माने की पळेले? The poet. Poet कौन नहीं गले खाली हाथ रे गले की He went to the pond with his fishing equipment. The poet went to the pond with his fishing equipment directly from his home to that place. तांको घरु सीधा पळेले. रैन माने दौड़ीबार कथा नुहे सीधा तांको घरु स्ट्रेट आवेन गोटे सीधा रास्ता रे सिंगल रास्ता रे सेटु कोन कले तां घरु तांको पोखरी गले आ क्वाड न जाय घरु आ पोखरी सीधा आसिले with a fishing tackles माने होची fishing equipment होची जो माछ धरिया पे जो जिंसुडा धरा जाय एठी माछ धरिया पे जिंस होची साधारणतः से नेइछंती कोन fishing equipment हम जते कंसीडर करबा तर rod line and bait and hook which is attached to the fishing rod that means angle and he has taken maybe some other poles to carry the fish but तांगर fishing equipment धरिके माछ धरिया जंत्रपाती धरिकी सीधा घरु कोठी गले से पोखरी पाखु गले of course एके निश्चित भाବରେ गोटे धरिया पई कहीं जाइछनी माछ जंत्रपाती धरिकी पोखरी को कहीं जाइछन्ती गोटे माछ धरिया पई so the poet Goparanjan Mishra had carried all the fishing equipments fishing tackles and went to nearby the pond to catch a fish the minutes passed the hours dragged it seems no luck that day I had now the poet is talking yeah I have told my family members today will be a feast right and they were happy then I came to a pond with my fishing equipment to catch a fish but what happened minutes passed and the hours passed घंटा second minute सब पळेला माने कोन समयटा अति the minute passed the hours takes means a lot of time was passed away बहुत समय धरि ते पळेलानी मिनिट्स केते मिनिट गलारी घंटा घंटा अतिक्रम थिम पळै जाईची ट्रैक्शन छडे नबा एठी नो एठी अतिक्रम कर तांगा जीवन रो घंटा घंटा समय भी अतिबाद है सेमित से बनिश कंडा पकै की पोखरी ऊपर पकै छंती किंतु से हुक रे कोन बेट जो बेट लगै छन खाद्य लगै छंती के माछ से खाउ नांती दैट मीन्स समय भी देखि तो केनाल कुला साइड रे बा नई बंद तुळे देखि तो लोक माने बहुत समय धरि माछ धरिया पे चेष्टा करंती किंतु बहुत समय गला पर माछ धरि पारंती नाही तो एटी से कोन करछन ना बहुत ट्राई करछन्ती माछ धरिया पई किंतु से बहुत समय पर भी से माछ धरि पारि नाहंती बहुत चेष्टा करछन्ती एई समय बहुत समय चली जाईची तनु से निजु निजे कहछन इट सीम्स नो लक दैट आई हैड आज मते मोर भाग्य नाही माछ धरिया पई ऑब्वियसली तुम देखि तो केनाल कुला जो माने बनिश कंडा बा पोखरी कुला रे बा नई कुला बनिश कंडा धरि बसी थांती तम बहुत समय धरि अपेक्षा करिया पड़थाय सडनली माछ फिस्टा पड़े नहीं तो एटी कोन जे आंकर जेतबेले से फिशिंग इक्विपमेंट धरि के आसंदी गोटे माछ धरिया उद्देश्य रे ए समय बहुत समय अतिक्रम हेई तो मिनिट्स पळेची घंटा घंटा किछि मिनिट भी जायनी घंटा मध्ये अतिक्रम किछि घंटा भी अतिक्रम हेईची किंतु एपन तो माछ पड़ी नाही एही समय रे पोएट निजो कहउचंती इट सीम्स नो लक दैट आई हैड आजि बोते जोना पछ मोर आज भाग्य नै नो लक मींस भाग्य नहीं टुडे मे बी मिसफॉर्च्यून happened okay so he was today I don't have no fortune today no luck today that I would catch a fish so in this way the third stanza over So do you to the first three stanza summaries? Here it is talking about the poet experience himself as a seasoned angler. As a seasoned angler with his fishing equipment, he was ready to catch a fish. So he told to his family members, wait for me because today's night I'm going to make a fish for dinner. So when he said to his family member that today's night will be a fish fry dinner, nobody say a single word in front of his face. But when the poet tried to return to his job or return to his work, some family members create some chuckles, make some word smile. So it seems that the family member was happy that when the poet said that today's night will be a fish fry dinner. So by listening some chuckling sound, the poet told to himself, "Let me come back. I will see how much are you happy." तो मैं कितने खुशी हो जरा मुझे देखे हुए चाहूँ से. So by taking his all the fishing equipments, he directly went to the pond to catch a fish. So when he was ready to catch a fish, he threw the what angle into the threw the angle some part of the angle into the deepest part of the pond. At the meantime, he was waiting so many times but did not get a fish. So that's why the poet says that the minutes passed and hours tracks. It seems no luck that I had. बहुत समय अतिक्रम करছে बहुत समय घंटा घंटा मिनिट मिनिट पळेଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ମାଛ ଧରି ପାରି ନାହିଁ. There is no fish today. ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଆଜି ମୋ ଭାଗ୍ୟରେ ମାଛ ନାହିଁ. ଆଜି ମୋର ଭାଗ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ ମିସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. Here the poet was saying the happiness to his family members. Now he was feeling that today I'm not getting a piece. So in this way, past three stanza was over. And if